Hello, class. Today we will learn how I can order numbers using the words before, after, and between. I will be using a tool today. My tool is a 120s number chart. This can be helpful when ordering numbers before, after, and between. My first direction is write the number that is 1 before. So I've given a number 36 and I have to find the one that's before it. I'm going to pull out my number chart and I'm going to look for where 36 is. I'm going to go to the row that has the 30s in it. I'm going to find 36. And I'm going to look 1 before it. 1 before 36 is 35. So I know 1 before 36 is 35. The same direction, again, write the number that is 1 before. Again, I'm going to come to my numbers chart. I'm going to find where 21 is. Look in the 20s row. Here's 21. I'm going to look 1. There's no number right there. Well, that means I have to go back to the row above it and I go to the last number because that's the last spot in that line. So the one before 21 is 20. A way you can check your answers, first graders, is when we count, and you are excellent counters, we usually count going up. So I can check this. I can go 35, 36, 20, 21. Our next set of directions is to write the number that is 1 after. So now instead of 1 before, we gotta go 1 after. My number is 47. I'm gonna pull out my numbers chart and I am going to mark where 47 is. I'll go down to the 40s row and then I look for 47. And now we want to go 1 after it. 1 after. 1 after is 48. Our next one is 10. So we need to find 1 after 10. Okay, pulling out my numbers chart. I find 10, but there's nothing after it. I have to go down to the next row. First graders, think of it like you're reading a book. When you read a book, you read from left to right. And then when you go to the next row, again, you read left to right. So if I'm going to find the next number, the number that comes after, I have to read left to right. And that number is 11. So 1 after 10 is 11. Again, when we count, you go 47, 48. That makes sense. 10, 11. Our last set of instructions say write the number that is between. So we have to find the number that is between 17 and 19. I'm going to pull out my numbers chart. I'm going to find 17. So 17 is in this row here. It's a teen row. So here's 17 and 19. And I'm going to look for the number that's in between them. That number that's in between them is 18. Thanks, first graders, with practicing with me today. Again, if you could just count it, 17, 18, 19, that's a good way to check it if it makes sense when you count it. I hope you have a great rest of your day.